What's up, Crown Vic Crew? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see by the title, we're going to be talking about SAP Crown Vics, what they mean, why they might be the best Crown Vics for you. But before I start, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 6,600 subscribers. You're just one step closer to 7,000 and then hopefully another step closer to 10,000, which would be awesome and just crazy. I also want to say for all of the new subscribers, I released some new t-shirt designs, new merch, so if you guys like Crown Vics, if you guys like Murphy Marauders, anything like that, you know someone who likes it, go check out my merch page. The link will be down below in the description. I also released some Thin Blue Line t-shirts, so if you guys want to support law enforcement, definitely go check it out. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much again for everyone who has bought merch. Really appreciate you helping out the channel. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so I've talked about many different trim level Crown Vics. I've compared my car to the civilian version of the Crown Vic, but I never compared my car probably to the closest, I would call it, brother. I mean, you could probably say it's the brother of this car.
What?
Or, I don't know. It's the closest to my car, to my Crown Vic, and this is why. SAP Crown Vic stands for Street Appearance Package, and it basically is what the name suggests. It's a street appearance package. So basically take everything internally of my car, but put a civilian Crown Vic on the outside of it. So SAP Crown Vics, you got the same motor in it, so you got the same upgrades that I have in my car. So the coolers, the upgraded transmission, stiffer suspension, the rear axle ratio, all that good stuff. But you're going to get no push bar, you're going to get a chrome grille, you're going to get the chrome finishing and trim on the outside. You're most likely going to get the hubcaps instead of the center caps, although you can switch them out very easy. You're not going to get any spotlight at all. You're going to get the mirrors are going to be the same color as your car. On the back, the rear fascia where mine is black, you're going to get the same color as whatever the car is. So if it's gray, white, whatever, this is going to be the same color of the car, and underneath here will be chrome. Also, the biggest thing will probably be this right here. It does not say Police Interceptor. It says Crown Victoria. Even though it is technically a Police Interceptor internally, like I said again, you're going to get all the upgrades, the transmission upgrade, upgraded oil coolers, you know, all that good stuff. It still says Crown Victoria because it is a street appearance package. Like I said again, those cars are mostly used for detective work, undercover, and stuff like that. So, you know, they want it to look like just a regular civilian Crown Vic. Just does not appear to be a police car on the outside. Also, you're not going to get many antennas either, so you don't have to worry about, you know, holes or plugging them up and stuff like that. Maybe you'll get low profile antennas like a puck antenna or something like that, but nothing crazy like my car. Also over here, mine doesn't have any trim where my reflective tape is. Usually SAP Crown Vics will have chrome trim over here. And the reason why I wanted to make a video on SAP Crown Vics is because I know a lot of people out there own them. Like I said again, they're basically, they are a Police Interceptor. They just have the package outside looks like a civilian Crown Vic. And the reason I say that this Crown Vic might be good for you, because I know people who subscribe to my channel or have commented before, they like the Police Interceptor, but they don't like the whole cop look. And I've said before on my channel, well, it's very easy to buy a new grill, it's very easy to take out the spotlight, but then you got holes there, and you know, it just, some people don't like it that way. So that's where the SAP Crown Vic comes in perfect for you guys. SAP Crown Vic, you're still going to get that nice sounding engine, you're still going to get the upgrades that my car has, all those goodies, but you're going to get a regular Crown Victoria on the outside. So you're not going to get the push bar, you're not going to get no spotlight. Like I said again, chrome grille, rear facial's not going to be black. So it's going to look a lot more like a civilian Crown Vic. You really can't tell the difference at all until you check a certain amount of things, which I will show you guys in a little bit. How to make sure it is 100% an SAP Crown Vic and it's a genuine Police Interceptor. Now, I have seen some SAP Crown Vics with spotlights. I have seen some SAP Crown Vics with push bars, but they mostly have been converted from one of my these cars into an SAP Crown Vic. I was honestly thinking about doing that to my car, kind of just switching it up, getting a chrome grille, putting it on the front, and then put my hubcaps back on. That's really all you need to turn it into an SAP Crown Vic. And obviously I can't really screw with the rear facial that much. Remember when I said in the beginning of the video, the SAP Crown Vics are basically everything internally of my car. I also do mean literally internally, meaning the interior is still as boring, as plain as the one in my car. So there's not really that many upgrades interior of the SAP Crown Vic than there is in mine. So let's go take a look. Alright guys, so now we're going to jump onto the inside. Now the inside of the SAP Crown Vics are very, very similar to the inside of my car. The seats are a little bit different. They're not these style seats. They're the ones kind of like that. It's kind of like that cloth seat. So the seats are a little bit more of an upgrade, I would say, I guess, from these. But the inside of the SAP Crown Vics are pretty much very similar to the interior of mine. So you're going to get this kind of boring trim. You're not really going to get any wood grain or really nice, two-tone trim. Also, SAP Crown Vics do have the trunk release in the middle. That's one way you could tell if it's a actual Police Interceptor. If it looks like a civilian Crown Vic, and you're like, I wonder if it's a Police Interceptor or not. Because like I said again, SAP Crown Vics are very, very close to civilian Crown Vics. You really can't tell much difference. So, but the trunk release will always be in the middle for Police Interceptors. So remember that. That is one way to tell if it's a genuine Police Interceptor or not. The trunk release is always in the middle. But yeah, you're also going to get, you're not going to get a love seat in the front as well. You're most likely going to have an empty spot over here where the center console would be. Like I said again, I have mine here. But the inside of SAP Crown Vics are not a one seat in the front like civilian Crown Vics. So they have a place where, all the siren controls and stuff would be in the middle. But yeah, pretty much the inside, you're not really going to get that much of an upgrade interior-wise. Like I said again, the seats are probably going to be a little bit better. But that's about it. You're not really going to get any really nice fancy stuff. You got climate control and stuff. Also, you most likely will not have a ticket light. It comes with a standard light, but you can put this in. I've seen people put this in their SAP Crown Vics before. Very easy to install. But yeah, pretty much the interior of my car and SAP Crown Vics are almost exactly the same. Alright, so there are a couple ways to check if you're looking for an SAP Crown Vic. There are a couple ways to check if it's a genuine Police Interceptor. Like I said again, SAP Crown Vics and civilian Crown Vics are almost exactly the same to a T. Like I said again, you can look inside the interior. Usually SAP Crown Vics don't have a love seat, so they're not going to have that big seat along the middle. They're usually going to have a spot in between where the sirens and controls were. Also, SAP Crown Vics do not have any code control over here. You sometimes see civilian Crown Vics with, the control over here to unlock your door, the little keypad. SAP Crown Vics don't have that. I'm gonna ignore the fact that I locked my keys inside my car and I don't have a spare. I gotta try to get that open somehow. If not, I'm gonna have to call the police and they're gonna have to open it. But anyway, along with the video, not gonna let that ruin my day. The other way you can check if it's a genuine SAP is check your VIN number right here. The fifth letter in should be a P followed by a 7 and a 1, or a P followed by a 7 and a B to confirm that it is a Police Interceptor model, whether it looks like a civilian Crown Vic or not. That's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to get out there because I know there are a lot of people that have SAP Crown Vics and like, why haven't you made a video on it? So it's kind of like the best of both worlds if you look at it that way. It's the outside of a regular Crown Vic, but the inside is all a Police Interceptor. If you guys want a Crown Vic, but you don't want it to look like a cop car, ex-cop car, but you want, the upgrades and stuff, definitely go for an SAP Crown Vic. Those are the perfect for you. And like I said again, just do those little things to check. So check the VIN number, fifth letter in. That's probably the easiest way to check. The fifth letter in should be a P, again followed by a 7-1 or a P, 7B for the newer models. And that's pretty much how you can tell if it's a Police Interceptor, no matter if it looks like a cop car or it looks like a civilian Crown Vic. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and smash that subscribe button. Like I said again, we're so close to 7,000. And next video will probably be like an airsoft video or something. I know a lot of you guys were asking about the airsoft video, so I'll probably do like a review or a shooting video or something like that. But I hope you guys did enjoy nevertheless. But on that note, I'm going to end the video up here. Like I said again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.